Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm here with this new series. In this series I will try to discuss the questions of MSC Botany Entrance conducted by HPU, Himachal Pradesh University in 2022, and I will bring 10 questions in each video clip and discuss these questions in detail. So without wasting time, let's dive in. So the first question is citron, a food prepared from which algae? Our options are Palmeria, Caulerpa, Dorvalia, or Nerocystis. So its right answer is Nerocystis. So this is a famous cuisine of United States of America. So citron is prepared from Nerocystis in United States. The next we have other dishes like dulse. It is prepared from Palmeria palmata, और it's a member of division Rhodophyta, रेड एल्गी का मेंबर है ये, और इसे डल्स कहा था. इसे हम सी लेट्यूस फ्लेक्स के नाम से भी जानते हैं. इट इज़ वेल नॉन स्नैक फूड. Then next we have Caulerpa racemosa. It is a member of green algae, that is Chlorophyta, member of division Chlorophyta, commonly known as sea grapes. And this algae is rich in vitamins and minerals. Then next we have this Dorvalia antarctica. It's a part of Chilean cuisine. And the stem and holdfast of this algae, that is Dorvalia, known as hult. इसे hult कहते हैं. It is used in different recipes, like we have salads and stews. Then mapuche. Mapuche, as the indigenous people refer to it as colofi. तो इसे colofi के नाम से भी जानते हैं. The next we have this brown algae that is called laminaria. And इससे जो food prepare किया जाता है, food item, that is known as kombu or konbu. इसे हम इस नाम से जानते हैं. और kombu is used extensively in Japanese cuisines, and it's an important part of Japanese cuisine. The next we have alaria. Again, this is a brown algae. इसमें हम use करते हैं इससे जो product मिलता है, that is called cerumen. इसे हम cerumen के नाम से जानते हैं in Japan. And Alaria esculenta in particular is an excellent source of protein and iodine. तो ये rich source of protein और iodine है. Iodine, as we know, that it's important for the normal functioning of thyroid gland. The next, this is the alva, which is a green algae. It is commonly known as sea lettuce or salad. The next we have this green lever. It is prepared in South India from the algae Spirogyra. Spirogyra से ये dish prepare की जाती है. Then comes Porphyra. So we prepare, that is Porphyra, species is Tenera. This is a red algae, और इससे जो dish बनती, that is called amanori in Japan. This is again very famous cuisine in Japan, and it is also known as asakusa nori. इसे asakusa nori के नाम से भी जानते हैं. And is also named as zakai jim in Korea and zekai in Chinese. So we use different names for different dishes in different areas of the world. The next we have some other products which are obtained from algae. Like we have iodine. That is a very important component. So that is obtained from brown algae, like we have laminaria. Then fucus and Macrocystis pyrifera, which is the largest algae. It is again brown algae and commonly known as kelps. So giant जो brown algae है, उन्हें हम kelps के नाम से जानते हैं. The next another important compound that is obtained from algae is bromine. This bromine is obtained from Rhodomela and Polysiphonia. तो bromine हमें मिलती है इनसे. Commercial importance का बहुत, this is very important commercially. The next we have one compound that is called carrageenan. This carrageenan is obtained from the cell wall of red algae. Red algae की cell wall से मिलता है. We have one common example that is called Chondrus crispus. Chondrus crispus, तो इससे हमें ये मिलता है. There is another algae named as Giardia. So sometimes we obtain this carrageenan from this algae, that is Giardia, but mostly हम इसे obtain करते हैं Chondrus crispus से. Then there is another product that is obtained from algae, that is commonly known as diatomite. इसे जानते हैं हम इस नाम से डायटोमाइट, और इसे किसलगर भी कहते हैं. And it is obtained from the fossilized diatoms. जो बड़े बड़े sediments होते हैं diatoms के fossilized, तो वहाँ से हम इसे obtain करते हैं. And it is used for various purposes. It is used in industrial filtration processes, preparation of high temperature furnaces, insulators in refrigerators, soundproof rooms, tooth powder, and polishes of metals. So we have some other algae also. So this is this question is from the economic importance of algae. You can go through that topic and can cover all the questions. Then the second question which was asked in this exam was in which algae isomorphic alternation of generation is present. So we have options Ectocarpus, Volvox, Cara, or Coleucite. So its right answer is Ectocarpus. Isomorphic alternation of generation means iso means same, morpho means shape. Alternation of generation means one generation, that is gametophytic generation, followed by the diploid sporophytic generation. So in Ectocarpus, this haploid gametophyte bears the reproductive structure which produces gametes, and these gametes fuse to form this diploid zygote that will germinate to produce this sporophytic plant body that will undergo meiosis. Fractional division produces spore and will germinate to produce this gametophyte. So we can see here both gametophyte and sporophyte are similar in their appearance. So this type of alternation of generation is known as isomorphic type of alternation of generation. The next we have this Cara. Cara को commonly कहा जाता है stonewort. और इसमें जो reproductive structures होते हैं, that is globule, which is a male reproductive structure, and nucule, that is a female reproductive structure equivalent to oogonium. So they are term used for reproductive structure in case of Cara. So Cara doesn't show this isomorphic type of alternation of generation that we can see in this diagrammatic life cycle. The next we have Coleucite. Again, Coleucite में भी absent होता है isomorphic alternation of generation. Then Volvox में भी isomorphic type of alternation of generation absent होता है. इसकी जो plant body, that is synovium means a thallus consists of definite number of cells arranged in definite manners and have different shape. और इसका जो opposite structure होता है, that is called palmilloid form. Next question is chlorophyll in Phaeophyceae means जो pigments हैं Phaeophyceae, that is a brown algae. इसमें कौन से pigments present होते हैं? Options are chlorophyll A and C, chlorophyll A and E, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, and chlorophyll A and chlorophyll D. So the right answer is option A first, that is chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C. So these are the pigments which are present in this group, brown algae. In addition to this, it contains one important pigment that is called fucoxanthin. Fucoxanthin, which is a carotenoid, that is again important pigment which impart brown color to this group. The next, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll E. This is found in the zoospore of Vaucheria. जो zoospore होता है Vaucheria को उसमें पाया जाता है. Then chlorophyll A and B, it is the important pigment which is present in Chlorophyta, green algae. Then chlorophyll A and D, it is found in Rhodophyta, mean that is red algae. So we have these pigments. Chlorophyceae, that is green algae, it contains chlorophyll A and B. And reserve food material is starch. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. And it is mostly found in both fresh water as well as brackish water. In Phaeophyceae, there is brown algae. Here the chlorophyll present are chlorophyll A and C. That was the question asked. In addition to this, it contains this pigment that is called fucoxanthin. And the reserve food material is mannitol or laminarian starch. Again, the cell wall is made up of cellulose and alginine. So this was again a question that can be asked in the exam. Alginine is obtained from the brown algae. It contains two flagella which are unequal and lateral in position. It is mostly found in brackish water. Then Rhodophyceae, that is a red algae, it contains chlorophyll A and D. In addition to this, it also contains phycobilines, that is phycoerythrin and phycocyanin. But जो phycoerythrin होता है, R phycoerythrin is greater in amount as compared to the phycocyanin. And the reserve food material is thoridian starch, and cell wall is again made up of cellulose. Here the motile structures are absent. So this is the only group of algae which lacks motile structure. Next question is Phyllopore is present in. Our options are Ectocarpus, Volvox, Polysiphonia, or Nostoc. So its right answer is Volvox. During the formation of daughter synovium in Volvox, there occurs a division in the gonidium, जो gonidium होता है. So we'll understand with the help of this diagram. So this is gonidium. It will undergo first longitudinal division that will give rise to 2 cells. This cell again undergoes longitudinal division, but right angle to the first division, that will lead to formation of 4 cells. These 4 cells divides again to form 8 cell, and this 8 cell structure is known as placia stage. This is very important. So this placia stage is 8 cell stage in case of Volvox. This is again question that can be asked in the entrance exams. Placia stage is found in Volvox. This is 8 cell stage, and after that these 8 cells divides again and form 16 cells. During these 16 cells, these are arranged in such a way in a spherical manner with one small aperture, and this small aperture is known as phyllopore. So ये जो small aperture present होता है in the daughter synovium during the development of this daughter synovium is known as phyllopore. So it is found in this algae, that is Volvox. Next question is, which of the following is found in the member of Oomycetes? Our options are biflagellated zoospores, uniflagellated zoospores, multiflagellated zoospores, or non-motile zoospores. So its right answer is biflagellated zoospore. Oomycetes. It is a somewhat primitive fungus group, and it is commonly known as algal fungi also, means Phycomycetes, because जो इसमें spores बनते हैं उनकी cell wall में present होता है cellulose, और इसमें मोस्टली जो एल्गी होती है फंगस होता है दैट इज सिनोसिटिक. इसमें मल्टीन्यूक्लिएट और एसेप्टेड कंडीशन होती है. सो द स्पोर्स विच आर प्रेजेंट इन Oomycetes or zoospores, they contain bioflagellate zoospores mostly. So here we can see here these are the zoospore of Oomycetes, and इसमें 2 flagella present होते हैं. One is tinsel flagellum, other is whiplash flagellum, which is a smooth flagellum. So Oomycetes zoospore exhibit 2 flagella, that is tinsellated for steering and whiplash for propulsion. They display chemotaxis in various water environments responding to chemical signals. Following free-swimming zoospores undergo incestation, attaching to surface with a mucilaginous matrix. Then asexual production involves sporangia producing distinct zoospores. Unlike fungi, Oomycetes have cellulose cell wall. That's why this group of fungi is also known as algal fungi. इसलिए हम इसे algal fungi भी कहते हैं. And diploid nuclei in the vegetative state. The next question is again from fungi. Clamp connections are found in which group? Our options are Ascomycotina, Basidiomycotina, Mastigomycotina, or Zygomycotina. So its right answer is Basidiomycotina. This is the most advanced group of fungi. So these are the connections which are found in this group, and these connections helps in transfer of nuclei from one cell to another cell, and these are found in the group of Basidiomycetes. We have a brief classification of fungi, that is Chytridiomycota. The chytrids, they show unique sexual reproduction with whip-like flagella. Aquatic habitat, decompose organic matter. Then next with Zygomycota, that is commonly known as bread mold. Or sexual reproduction with large zygospores. The example is Rhizopus, and found in soil and decaying matter. They act as a decomposer. The next is Ascomycota, that is yeasts and sac fungi, commonly known as sac fungi, and they produce spores which are known as ascospores, and which are 8 in number. They grow in diverse habitats including yeast and sac fungi. Then Basidiomycota, commonly known as club fungi. Sexual reproduction, this group also contains smut and rust fungi. Sexual reproduction is with club shaped basidia, and they produce spores which are known as basidiospores. और जो basidiospores बनते हैं, they are 4 in number. They grow in varied habitat, includes mushrooms and rust fungi. Then comes Deuteriomycota, that is also known as fungi imperfecta, because this group lacks sexual reproduction, not recognized sexual structures. Then comes lichens, which show symbiotic association of fungus with alga or cyanobacteria. The next question is from lichens. So which lichen is used as medicine to cure epilepsy? Our options are Asthenia, Evernia, Parmelia perlota, or Parmelia saxatilis. So its right answer is Parmelia saxatilis. It is commonly, this Parmelia genus is also known as rock flower. इसे commonly rock flower भी कहा जाता है. So as we know that lichens, this is a symbiotic organism which show mutualism. It means it is a dual organism. It consists of one algal partner and other fungal partner. So algal partner is also known is known by a name phycobiont, और latest जो name है इसका that is photobiont, while the fungal partner is known as mycobiont, and they lives in association. In addition to this, we have other lichens which have some medicinal properties, that is named as Peltigera canina, commonly known as dog lichen. इसे dog lichen भी कहते हैं, and is used to cure hydrophobia. ये हाइड्रोफोबिया को केयर करने के लिए यूज होता है. द नेक्स्ट वी हैव लोबेरिया पल्मोनेरिया. As the name indicate, pulmonaria, it means it is used to cure lung diseases. The next we have another lichen that is named as Xanthoria paratina. It is used to cure jaundice. ये jaundice को ठीक करने के लिए यूज होता है. The next, this Parmelia saxatilis, it is used to cure epilepsy. Then we have cladonia. Species name is Rangifera, जिसे हम reindeer moss भी कहते हैं, cladonia. So this lichen is used to cure intermittent fevers. Fevers को cure करने के लिए इसे use करते हैं. The next we have asnic acid, जो कि असनिया से obtain होता है, asnic acid. This asnic acid is mixed with one antibiotic that is called streptomycin, and it is used against tuberculosis. जब हम asnic acid को streptomycin के साथ mix करते हैं, so this medicine is used to cure tuberculosis. Tuberculosis को ठीक करने के लिए होता है. In addition to this, we have these genus, that is Evernia and Ramalina. जो Evernia और Ramalina हैं, these are used to make incense material, and specifically they are also used to make Havan Samagri. So however, the constituents of Havan Samagri is vary from region and traditions. So these are also used to make soaps or perfumes. Incense material बनाने के लिए भी use होते हैं और soaps और perfume बनाने के लिए भी use होते हैं. Then we have one important lichen from which we obtain one dye that is known as orchil. जिस dye को नाम बोलते हैं हम orchil, और इसी को जानते हैं हम एक और नाम से, that is called orsin. And this important dye is obtained from the genus that is Rossella tinctoria. Genus is Rossella tinctoria, and this dye is obtained from this genus, and this is also used as litmus dye, और ये acid और base indicator की तरह काम करता है. Then we obtain certain organic acids, like we have carbonic acid, lacanoic acid, or asnic acid. These are also obtained from. The next question is again from lichen, that is Xanthophoria paratina is an example of. Our options are saxicolous lichen, corticolous lichen, omnicolous lichen, or arboreal. So this is question from habitat of lichen. So this is saxicolous lichen. Saxicolous lichen means which grows on rock surfaces. So rock surface पे grow करता है. Then next we have corticolous, which means that grows on the bark of tree. Corticolous जो bark of tree के ऊपर grow करता है. So saxicolous refers to organism that grows on rocks, and Xanthoria paratina is often found on rocks, walls, and sometimes on rocky surfaces. The term corticolous is used for the organisms that grow on the bark of trees. And then omnivorous typically refers to organisms that grows or on the mosses, on or with mosses. And arboreal term is related to trees. So these refer to organisms that lives in trees. The next question is from fungi. Glyciofulvin is an antibiotic that can effectively control which of the following disease. We have this disease that is early blight of potato, late blight of potato, citrus canker, loose smut of wheat. So the right answer is citrus canker, which is caused by Xanthomonas citri. So this Glycofulvin antibiotic is used to cure this disease, that is citrus canker, that is caused by Xanthomonas citri. We have this early blight of potato that is caused by Alternaria solani, which is a member of group Deuteriomycetes and caused by Alternaria solani. Then next disease is late blight of potato that is caused by Phytophthora infestans, which is a member of Omycetes. Then loose smut of wheat that is caused by Astilago tritici or Nuba tritici. The next question, that is loose smut of wheat is caused by, our options are Astilago cholerae, Astilago nuda tritici, then Astilago arvanae and Astilago madis. So this is the image which shows this symptom of loose smut of wheat caused by Astilago nuba tritici. This is nuba tritici or Astilago tritici simply. So ये जो smut है, this is caused by this genus Astilago nuda tritici, and we have this other genus like Astilago cholerae. So this is a smut fungus that infects Avena sativa. ये oat में cause करता है smut. So this causes oat smut, and disease is characterized by formation of dark spore-filled masses called smut balls. Then we have this Astilago nuba tritici. So this nuba tritici is associated with Hordeum vulgare. That is, it causes loose smut in Hordeum vulgare, that is commonly known as barley smut. Then comes Astilago arvanae. Astilago arvanae caused loose smut in oats again. Then we have Astilago madis that causes the loose smut in case of maize, also known as corn smut. In addition to this, we have another disease that is known as bunt. So carnal bunt, that is a famous disease occurs in wheat, that is caused by fungus Stelicia indica, and the fungal pathogen primarily affects Triticum aestivum, that is wheat plant, and Triticum durum. Carnal bunt is a significant concern for wheat producing regions, and its presence can lead to both yield and quality losses. Key characteristic and effects of carnal bunts are symptoms. If infected wheat kernels accept external and internal symptoms, externally infected kernels appear healthy. बाहर से जो wheat के grains है वो healthy appear होते, but they emit a fishy or foul odor. Internally, the bunt balls are filled with dark powdery spores that replaces the normal seed content. So this carnal bunt is also known as covered smut. इसे covered smut के नाम से भी जानते हैं. So this was all about for our today's first part of this entrance exam. I hope you will get some idea from this presentation. If you have any questions, queries, and any suggestions, give it in comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.